Okay, this question came out twice, so I'm going to answer it. Metatron's cube, false or reality? Let me give you the depth knowledge on what that is really about as fast as possible, because I do actually end up needing to explain the Saturn myth, which is too big for me to do right now, but I can explain to you Metatron's cube. Okay, so what happens is that when you're talking about organic realities, right, the ones that come from the womb, we can't actually get to those. And the reason is because we're already there. It's impossible to get to something that you're already at, okay? So what happens is that there is another field. And that field is when you can say a person's a time traveler or they're a time lord, that's because they can pick up the signature of that field. So let me just explain to you how that happens. In the physical world, you'll see really at first only things that are of nature. Then as things go on, and this is what's called squaring the circle, you'll actually find buildings, you'll find structures, you'll find frequencies, you'll find antennas, you'll find all these different things that emit a very different type of geometry, a straight line kind of geometry. And that's why, you know, when you blow open the third eye and you're downtown, you know, don't do that unless you're ready to do your thing, unless you're ready. You'll see a lot of straight line geometry within the field. And this is because for a Time Lord, it's very easy to pick up on straight line geometry. It's like coordinates. So what happens is that in the organic realities, you can't really actually phase lock into them because they're already inside of you. So the reason why, this is a very difficult concept to explain, but in conclusion, the reason why Metatron's cube was utilized, which actually works into a deep level of the geometry that you're witnessing in the Cometan pyramid. Metatron is more or less, it's a Kabbalistic term used for when one has created one of those bodies. So I see why the person's asking, is it artificial? Because everything is real, there's really nothing that's artificial. You're really more of asking what is its applications. And its actual applications is that it can become a geometric field around a person, remembering Dune in this respect, that can fold matrix-based space and time in order to get that person into other parts of the reality or allow that person to construct those kind of geometric structures in the reality, which generally are based on things that are developed in matrices, such as businesses, buildings, you know, those things that you'll find that are crafted by the hand of man and woman. Meaning that, you know, not on an organic level, something that we built and created. So Metatron's cube also is a massive reference or repository for technological information within the cube. And the reason is because all the knowledge is stored in that pattern. And the reason why it's stored in that pattern is because that kind of knowledge is easier to be accessed. And the easiest way to put this is let's say, for instance, you're storing your memories, right, in your mind. And right now you're storing your memories as experiences that are then being turned into a fluid. So what happens though if you start storing those memories as a geometric shape? What happens is it becomes somewhat the same geometric shape. It becomes very easy for you to access. Like if I say, what did you do 3 weeks ago on Friday at 5 o'clock? Because all your geometry is let's say a cube-based perfect geometry, it's easier for you to access that point in time. That's why they call it the cube, and it's related to time. Versus if it's stored in clumps, and you know kind of how most people's memories are, it's very difficult to access that space and time. So hopefully that gives you a little bit more insight. Obviously, if you'd have caught me 3 or 4 years ago, I would tell you it was works of the dark side. But truthfully, the aspects of what it is another application that's being used in the matrix for better or for worse.